Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-match press conference. Congratulations to the LaSalle Lady Spikers for winning over the Adams Lady Falcons in 4 sets. The Lady Spikers are now at 10. We have Coach Noel Julio, Shervana Laput, and Julia Coronel. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Pero yun naka-isa sa inyo yung Adamson. Your thoughts about your team's performance today as we go towards the crucial stretch of the season?
Well, actually, nung 4 set, talagang sobrang tentative yung galaw nila, nag-aantayan, walang gustong mag-lead. So, yun yung naging resulta. Pagka ganyan walang nag-lead, talagang nagiging pangit yung galaw eh. Hindi sila parang hindi sila magkakakilala sa loob. Kasi nga walang nagre-lead. So, buti na lang, nanalo, nakuha yung second set and nagtuloy-tuloy. So, a win is a win pa rin talaga, kahit masama yung laro.
Okay, thank you, Chefs. Yeah, 22 attacks, 2 blocks, and 3 digs. So, what the team needs right now, especially that we're now heading towards this crucial part of the season, especially you're still fighting for the twice-weekly slot in the Final Four.
For the team, we just need to listen to what the coaches are saying and stick to our system. And no matter what happens, no matter if there's an injury on the court or if we lose a set, if we go back to our system, which has worked for over 20 years, we can win this. When we give our all, when we give our effort, when we play with our hearts as well as with our mind, we can do anything.
Thank you, Chefs. So, you got 19 excellent sets, 6 digs, 3 blocks, and 2 attacks. So, what can you say about your research runs today and looking forward to your coming matches, especially you're still fighting for twice-weekly slot? What can you say?
Well, there's still a lot to improve on po talaga, and we still have to continuously be making adjustments since may nangyari din kay Jean earlier. But again, like what Shervana said, despite the injuries, despite everything, we still have to keep fighting, and we keep working as a team.
The floor is open for questions.
Coach, yun nga po, may initial update na po ba kay Jean sa nangyari?
As of now, parang hindi ko alam kung dislocated yung shoulder niya or something, pero naka-sling siya eh. So hindi ko pa naman alam yung wala pang sinasabi sa akin.
Coach, ano lang yung naging approach niyo sa team after nung loss nung nakaraan, papunta sa game na yun?
Lagi lang naman namin sinasabi sa kanila, stick to the system eh, huwag tayong mawawala eh. As long na naandyan kayo sa sistema, gagalaw tayo ng maayos eh. Pero pag tayo lumihis doon, ayan yung naging resulta eh. Like for example, yung first set. Parang nawala lahat yung inaral namin, yung training namin. Baga naghanapan eh. Yun nga yung lagi namin sinasabi sa kanila, huwag kayong aalis sa sistema natin. Once na umalis kayo, na hindi nagiging maganda yung resulta.
For Julia, what can you say about your individual progress for the team, and how motivated are you to continue raising that bar for yourself as captain and center entering the final?
Well, like I said, still learning, really still learning, or all still learning. We know that we still have lapses that we have to work on, so that's what we're continuously focusing on during practice. And kukunti na lang yung natitirang games namin this elimination, and we want to make every game count. And
And for Shervana, even after the loss, what can you say about the team's confidence entering the next games? Is it at the best level possible now, entering the battle for twice a week and final?
Like Ata Julia said, we're working on our lapses, but that's not only just skills, because volleyball is really a mental game, and we always need to play with confidence. And that's something that we're still learning as a team, which is fine, obviously. This is all still experience. When we get to the semis, the finals, and all that, that's when we need to be adjusted already. We need to be ready for anything.
for Julia, LaSalle has had a lot of adversities this season. Yeah. The latest being si Gina injured. Siguro as a team captain, how do you try to keep the team calm amid all of these?
Well, as much as possible, I try my best to keep motivating them. I try to talk to each and everyone and just uplift their spirits, even if sometimes ako rin not at my best. But we just really have each other's backs. And that's what I appreciate so much about my team. So, ayun, lalaban lang kami ng lalaban hanggang dulo.
Coach, siguro lang din yung nakita niyo sa team na parang lumalaban talaga sila despite niyo. Ang dami ng nangyari na sa team this season so far.
Yun din naman yung lagi namin sinasabi sa kanila. Huwag kayong kung sino yung naandyan, maglaro. Kung may mawala, huwag natin hanapin. Basta andyan kayo, naka-line up kayo. Kailangan kung ano man yung maitutulong nyo, gawin nyo. Lahat, give all, lahat na pwede nyo maitulong sa team. Hindi mo pwedeng maghahanap tayo ng wala. So, dapat mag-step up bawat isa sa kanila.
Okay, congratulations, Coach Noel Chefs, and thank you.
Thank you.